Welcome to the next step in protein purification, the Evolve. The Evolve process columns are available in 6 diameters from 7 to 35 centimeters. Process design features include process readiness, high performance, cost-effective, and the columns are designed with a non-metallic flow path, requiring minimal maintenance and is easy to use. Astrea also offer a wide variety of accessories to complement your column range, including support brackets, bubble trap, connectors, 4-quart two-way valves, as well as the Evolve Refresh Kit. The Refresh Kit is an alternative, cost-effective way to renew or refresh the wetted flow path without having to replace the whole column itself. So how do you fit a Refresh Kit? Let's take you back to the beginning. Start by attaching the pipe spool clamp to the bottom flow cell. Next, insert a flow tube seal into the bottom flow tube and firmly attach this to the flow cell. Take one of the 25mm flow tube seals and place into the bottom flow tube. Sit the short end of the pipe spool elbow onto the flow tube and lay the long end in the groove of the pipe spool clamp. Next, using the existing screws, attach the end of the pipe spool clamp using the Allen key tool provided with the column. Firmly affix the short end of the pipe spool elbow using a sanitary clamp. Reattach the elbow support, turn the bottom flow cell over and insert one of the anti-jets. Take the bottom support and firmly fix onto the flow cell, ensuring that the smooth side is facing up. The bottom adapter is now fully assembled. Ensure the scale label and top and bottom buffer seals are attached to the acrylic tube. Place the tube into the bottom column flange. Next, place the top column flange onto the top of the tube, aligning the fixing bolt holes with the tube support rods. Insert the washers and flange fixing bolts and tighten using the Allen key tool provided. Insert the guiding pins for the top adapter. Turn the column over and insert the assembled bottom adapter into the bottom column flange, again aligning the holes for the bottom cell fixing. Insert the bottom cell fixings and tighten using the torque wrench. Please check that the wrench pressure setting is correct for your column. The top adapter is assembled by carefully inserting a flow tube seal into the adjuster flow cell, then firmly attached to the flow tube. Slide the flow tube into the metal seal adjust tube, then align and affix using the flow cell locking clip. Attach the anti-jet to the adjuster flow cell. Fix the adjuster seal onto the flow cell, then slide the assembled flow tube into the threaded central height adjust rod. Stand the adapter up and slide the spacer over the assembled flow tube. Next, screw on the seal actuation nut. This will now hold the adapter together. Insert the last flow tube seal into the sanitary clamp adapter. Carefully place and firmly fix the adapter onto the flow tube. Finally, attach the adjuster support, ensuring the smooth side is facing out. The top adapter is now assembled and can be placed into the column. Affix the top adapter using the fixing bolts. Your column is completely assembled and ready to use. For more information on the Refresh Kit or any of our other products, please contact us using the information provided. Thank you, and we look forward to partnering with you for all your purification needs.